Here we go. Tulsa, 2009 snowstorm. Pretty day, real sunny. Snow is deep. Storm cellar, can't even tell that there's a storm cellar there. We go hunt right here. Down to all that last night. Y'all wanted to see it. There it is. Ledbetter Crawford Farm under snow. Yeah, boy. This the driveway, y'all. No traffic whatsoever.